In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to Whop. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, your Instagram account will be linked to your Whop profile, which makes it easier to verify your identity, manage communities, and unlock Instagram-related perks inside Whop. First, open your browser and go to your Whop home dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your Whop account as you usually would. Once you're on the main dashboard, you should see your usual overview of memberships, products, or communities you're part of. This is our starting point. Now, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on your profile. This is where all of your personal settings and account options live. So anytime you want to update something about your account, this is a good place to start. After opening your profile menu, you'll notice a small gear icon next to your profile. This gear icon represents your settings. Go ahead and click that. It will take you into your account settings area where you can manage everything from general preferences to connected apps. Inside the settings, look for a section called Connected Accounts. This is the page that shows all the third-party platforms you can link to Whop. Click on Connected Accounts to open that page. Give it a moment to load if needed. On the Connected Accounts page, scroll until you see Instagram in the list of available platforms. Next to Instagram, you'll see an option or button that says Add. Click on Add to start the connection process. Make sure you're connecting the Instagram account you actually want associated with this Whop profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts. A new window or section will appear asking for your Instagram account URL. This is simply the link to your Instagram profile, such as instagram.com, followed by your username. Paste or type your correct Instagram profile URL into the field provided. Double check for any typos, because Whop will use this URL to identify your account. Once you've entered your Instagram URL, follow the prompt to generate a verification code. Whop will create a unique code that proves you own that Instagram account. Carefully copy or note this verification code. You'll typically be asked to place this code somewhere specific on your Instagram profile, or follow the on-screen instructions so Whop can verify it's really you. After you've used the code as instructed and completed the verification, your Instagram will be successfully connected to Whop.